Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Claude AI app on a laptop or PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you have two options. If you want to download the official Claude desktop app, or if you wanted to download the Progressive Web app or PWA. So if you want to download the app, open up your browser and just go to anthropic.com. Again, anthropic.com, hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on Try Claude right here. And click on Download Desktop App. Save it wherever you want. Wait for it to load. And while it's downloading, the second option is right here. Just click on Install. Install. And here we have the PWA or Progressive Web App. You have the shortcut right here. So again, it's just a web app. Now, here we have the Claude setup. For the first method, you can just go ahead and double click on it. Wait for the installer to pop up. Now click on Get Started and log in with your account. Once logged in, click on Continue right here. Just basically follow simple prompts. And then once that's done, Claude is now installed in your laptop or PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.